What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in a booting with yet another reaction video. Mama B, this is my mom and we do reactions. We only react to poly people, so don't be requesting no Jamaican or Mexican artists, okay? Unless they're half poly. But yeah fam, so today we're going to be reacting to Blueboy Grateful. We know he's Māori, so when we say we're reacting to polys, we're including Māori people as well, so...
Of course.
Yeah, because they're basically us.
They're in the triangle.
Yeah.
Whether they deny it or not.
But yeah, so we're gonna be reacting to Blueboy Grateful. A lot of people have been saying this is about his partner that passed away. So I remember, I think it was on the news or something, and it was circulating on Instagram. Oh, I can't remember what year it was. Nah, but I know it's like in the recent news. So yeah, rest in peace to her. And yeah, but yeah fams, if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. Appreciate you for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or clicking subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos fam. Oh man, I feel my heart already like, okay, let's
Crazy visions.
Crazy visions about to make this a sicky track, man.
Been really different since you left town. Your smile is all I'm missing and my head's down. Still gotta get up every day, go out and get on my grind. I'm reminiscing about us kissing in my mind on rewind. Let's throw it back to the first day. You told me to come in early, then you came late. And now I'm walking around the park just trying to see where you at. Talking to Kylie on the phone and acting blind as a bat. By now could tell that you was real shy, and your beauty was something else. I kinda feel fly. Had them butterflies going crazy when you came by, and I'm loving every minute. This is a real vibe. I don't think you understand how over it that I am. But I just got to soldier on, even though you're gone for my fan.
Oh bro, this is actually making me a bit sad, eh?
I don't think you understand how over it that I am. But I just got to soldier on, even though you're gone for my fam. But I can say that I'm still grateful, and I stay faithful. I promise one day I'm gonna meet you at the gas. Been missing you since April, and it ain't the same stew. I'm just grateful that God showed me that this my fate. And for sending me an angel. Oh, for sending me an angel. You taught me everything about being faithful. I thank God every day for you because I'm grateful. And I'm gonna make it home, and I'ma be there in a little while. Can't wait for the day I see you smile. Said I'ma make it home, and I'ma be there in a little while.
That just pissed me off.
What?
I don't know. When he said I'm just grateful and I'm gonna be there in a little while, you know, it just immediately made me thought, well, you're gonna commit suicide just to get there.
Oh
sorry.
no, yeah, you get what he means, eh? Like, yeah.
Oh, can't wait for the day I see you smile. Cause I'm too gone. I know you surrounding me, don't ever feel alone. I swear I'ma reach the top before the day that I come home. And I'm never gonna stop until I'm with you at the throne. I've been doing this on my own, really miss calling your phone. It's been just over a year, she see just how much I've grown. I cried way too many tears, been wasting nights in the cold. But now it's time for me to shine and go and get what's mine. Cause I don't think you understand how over it that I...
This feels like a sad but happy song, eh? Like, the way he's like, I think he's just finally healing, eh? Like,
he's grieved, now it's time.
Damn.
Everyone grieves differently. Some may not even last a month or something, but
still like
everyone's different, yeah.
Damn, a year, eh? Damn.
I am, but I just got to soldier on, even though you're gone for my fam. But I can say that I'm still grateful, and I stay faithful. I promise one day.
I just feel like this guy's emotions extra. Yeah,
No, sorry, now I've got onions in my pocket.
Yeah, that's why.
You think, how do you move on from that?
Yeah, like...
It's like how when your parents pass away, how do you move on from that? But
you feel like you won't be able to live and stuff.
Yeah. It's the birthdays and the Christmas and the Mother's Day and stuff like that that are the hardest, I swear.
Or just nights where you feel like there's no one or you're lonely. Like
there's no one to talk to and only your mother could love you like a mother or something like that. Yeah.
Just the people that you found home and like. So guys. Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna meet you at the gas. Been missing you since April, and it ain't the same, Stu. I'm just grateful that God showed me that this my
I like the beat, man.
This year, April.
And for sending me an angel. For sending me an angel. You taught me everything about being faithful. I thank God every day for you because I'm grateful. And I'm gonna make it home, and I'ma be there in a little while. Can't wait for the day I see you smile. Said I'ma make it home, and I'ma be there in a little while. Can't wait for the day I see you smile.
Must be one flower for every time it goes to it,
Yeah. Damn.
99, hey.
Oh, same.
To 90. Also was... I forgot what year it is already, last year.
Damn.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, rest in peace, man. And to think that she had so much to live for too, eh? Like,
you're still young.
So what do you think of the track, maybe?
Apart from that little bit where I thought, what the hell? Because I read too much into that line, but yeah, understanding it, more and nothing but love.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of respect.
Yeah, for sure.
They had a lot of respect for one another.
And you can see it, it really shows. Like, he's still willing to live and make it up there. Like, I know some people when they lose like a loved one, they just
think it's the end of the world.
Opposite. Yeah, he's making a positive out of it, and I'm sure that's what she's wanted as well for him. Damn, this just feels emotional and happy at the same time. Like, the beat's just like sick, has a lot of sicky beat, and it's different how they're singing at the cemetery, just like having a mini concert probably for her. Yeah, I really like the song. And the visuals, man. Visuals are sicky.
Yeah, apart from that, it was very...
Damn.
Never seen a video like this.
Yeah, I don't think...
Talking about a partner who's passed
away, yeah.
Very nice.
Especially at such a young... Yeah. They're really young as well.
And he's realised that,
Damn, keep at it, bro. Like, I guess it just gives you more of a reason to keep going, eh?
Life's too short because you make it short. And, you never know what tomorrow
may bring, eh?
So live life to the fullest.
For sure.
Try and live life to the fullest. Not saying, live it.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we get naked and all, but...
Definitely make the most of it.
Make the most of it. Man. Don't live in regret.
Yeah, for sure.
If you have mistakes, learn by them. You'll learn by them. Gradually, you'll learn by them.
Yeah. Man, this track is just amazing. I love this track. Damn.
There's a whole meaning to it.
Yeah, the whole meaning to it. Just the visuals, even like seeing snippets of, I'm not too sure how to say her name, but his missus that passed away. Damn. Definitely something he can look back on, especially for his family too. Crazy visions, man. Bloody hell.
Crazy visions again.
I'm sick of you making songs just that extra mile, just amazing.
He gives it more depth
and oomph. Like he just makes the words stand out even more because he
reads it. They read it well.
Yeah, really well.
That's what I love. That.
Blood, crazy visions. Who raised you? Jesus, man. Awesome track. And you see how like sort of balling my eyes up. But yeah, keep it up, bro. I'm so keen to see what other music you have. This is definitely a sicky track. Like the last track, it was quite similar. I'm guessing it was dedicated to...
Yeah, I thought he was, because somebody said it was Young and Lips' little brother.
Yeah, little brother. So when I think brother, I'm not gonna think they're not like blood. I'm gonna think they're blood, you know?
They're blood brother, yeah.
I guess we get what people mean now. You can't trust when people say they're brothers because people just call anyone brother and like that. Damn. But definitely nice. I love this track. Not gonna lie.
Very nice.
Yeah, please check it out, fam. Support the bro. I'll have the information to the track in the description box below. I'll have the channel link, the song link, as well as the socials. So please go follow, please subscribe,
and of
share.
course the links to Poly businesses
Poly
that
businesses.
she's.
So Ilche and Under the Bird I'll have in the description
In
box.
case you think she hasn't, Guy Elliot, we're bulk filming.
Yeah. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.